what you can do if your random zip folder says an invalid error. If you're trying to open your zip folder and it says invalid error, then here are a few methods that you can use to open the zip file. So the first method is you have to click on Windows plus R to open your run dialog box, and then you are gonna search for appwiz.cpl. Click on open. This will open up the program section of your task manager, and if you scroll down you will find this WinRAR, and just you can simply right click and uninstall this once. After you do that, you can right click on this Windows button to open your task manager, and you can end your task by right clicking here and end task. And once you do that, like this, what you can do is open your run dialog again, and once you do that, you can open it and type in Explorer, and once you run your new Explorer, you should be able to open the zip file. But if this still doesn't work, what you can do is go to your browser and then search for WinRAR and click on this first link, and from here you can download WinRAR, the latest version of WinRAR. And then just once you have downloaded it, go to your zip file right here again, right click on it and click on open with WinRAR archiver. And once you do this, go to tools and go to repair archive, and make sure the second option is selected and click on OK and just close it. And now you should be able to open your WinRAR, your zipped folder. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.